Mikey talaga, oh. Ayan. Ang laki mo, Boss B. Para kasi Boss Dogs. Hindi naman, sakto. Di ko naman.
Wala. 0-2, 3. You want 5.
Robot, ano?
Paso, Yuki, serve up, paso Mikey, wala, lima to zero, paso zero. Wow! First, big ball. 2-1, number 8. Eh, number 8 pala.
Number 8 kasi, -1.
15 seconds to shoot.
Laki ni Mikey, ha?
2-1 by Mikey the Pocoten. Score, 4-4. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. 3% of the number 27. Bola. Nasa akin na naman. 8 minutes remaining. 83, wala. Yung mag-Mikey, what a power in ball, Rabongi.
Rabongi.
QC, pass to Levy. Limon by Benny. Intercepted by Kakay. Wow! 3 points by Alta. Change table. Wow, second team foul. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Good catch. 10 seconds to shoot. Sige. Salamat kuya. Wala pa rin. Intercepted.
18.
Two balls to number 3. 9-4.
Tambak kami, ah.
5-point lead by team.
Jero, ang bawa ang bola, butataka kayo. Number 3, bawa pass to QC. Anong hatol? Foul daw po. Foul. 13 foul lang po. Anong team ba? Oras, 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Score, 9-4 in favor of team A. Team 9. Team A pala, team A. Foul! Warning for penalty. Die.
Running time to, ha?
Running time po yan. Running time po. Naririnig pala. Envia. Pass number 9. 2 points. Number 3. Pass. Pass number 3. Steal by MDR. Tira. Wala. QC. Number 22. Change na pala yung Paul po, number 22, Bumira, wala. 3 next, pass number 9, last possession attention before change. Number 3, Paolo Bola. Pass to Mikey. 2 points.